told my husband I'm doing window shopping. I'm not going to buy anything. But let's see, finger crossed, if I will keep to my words. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to Chanel Dubai Mall to check the fall winter 24K collection. I'm looking out for those Chanel fluffy bags I see online. I want to feel it and see it. Let's go shopping.
One photo, you want one photo?
Yes, please. Please, can you help me?
Okay. 1, 2.
So this is Dubai Mall. Let's check for Chanel shop. It's in the first floor, by the way. I'm just doing it for the vlog. I'm here. It's 2 minutes from here. Okay, let's go. Welcome to Dubai Mall, downtown Dubai. If we have time, I will go to LV. But first, let me go to Chanel. Shots from outside, just in case I did not go into LV. You could also see what they have for the fall collections. Louis Vuitton. The French in the comment section. Did I pronounce it rightly? Nice. This is gorgeous. Tiny and cute. This white dress is gorgeous. So pretty. I'll come back. If you have not seen my previous uploads on Dubai shopping vlogs, playlist at the pinned comment. This is gorgeous. Caramel blue. Okay, let's go to Chanel first. Then please do not forget to like and share my videos. It encourages me to do more. Coco Chanel. Bonjour. Let's go explore. Black is classic. If I have time, I'll check for the ready-to-wear item. Some Chanel fine costume jewelries. They're so delicate and cute. Oh, this is gorgeous. More costumes on the wall. Hello. Good, thank you. For my sales assistant for today. I love the CC, how it's detailed with Chanel logo. It's a stunning purse. Let's see. It goes well as a clutch. Is this part of the fall collection?
I will check for you.
And what's the price?
This, let me just check.
What leather is this?
Lambskin leather.
Do you have this in caviar?
Caviar, no, we don't have it. 21,000.
How much?
21.
21. Oh. I came with the impression of seeing brown suede, puffy, like teddy bags, like I see on YouTube. I think maybe it's only in Europe I can find those. What leather is this?
Or is it for your family?
My family? No, for myself. What skin is this?
It's a lambskin.
Lambskin also. Can you show me other skins?
We have different model, but not this one.
Having box leather or
Box, most we have it's lambskin.
this is same like the LV.
Last collection.
Last collection.
Yes, ornamented bags.
See if I'll find something I like or probably put in my wish list. I have a detachable strap. cocoa handle is beautiful. I'm thinking of buying a cocoa handle also and sell off one of my purses that looks similar. Can I check the strap?
The strap?
Yes, please. Light blue. It's a cool, beautiful color. Strap is short. I'm into mini purses. I think I'll take this. Let's see if my phone fits it. Looks exclusive and delicate. Will be great as bridal purse. It's pretty, but it's not the size of my mobile. I kind of like it, but it does not fit mobile. It's beautiful. Pears. Not in Dubai.
Yeah, because it was
If I go to, because I'm traveling to Italy next week, if I
yeah,
go
why
there,
not?
I'll
Yeah,
find.
you can ask. We don't know. It's a different region, totally different region, and it's not relative.
So you
We have it before, but for me, I didn't see. I mean, Chanel, around 1 year, I didn't see.
gorgeous. Looks very unique. I can see myself wearing this in the winter and it looks so good. Stunning. It's sequins, baby. Gorgeous. So pretty. I think the chain is short. It come to this. It's not long enough. If it's up to this way, it would have been nicer. You know I'm tall, so the strap is not long enough. Let me ask. The strap is not long enough. See, it's hanging here. This is caviar. I wanted to. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I like my strap to be up to this. It's like they're being economical. Okay, I see. I understand some people complain about the long strap, but they have to do something for those of us that are very picky. They love long strap because I'm tall, right? I'm 5'7", and I'm not such a tall girl, but I'm tall, and I don't like my purses hanging on top of my tummy. If you understand what I mean. Very fragile. I want it to come down a little bit, but it is what it is. This is Chanel new collection. 24,400 dirhams. This is a lambskin. I love the chain details. It's gorgeous. So soft. These days. This is pretty. It's 1,700. It's very charming, you know. Of course, Chanel bags are cute. Why they not there now? It's nice. I love the chain details. Very unique and classic. This is a lambskin. So little and pretty. Love it. It's nice. Not so different, but it's nice. This is gorgeous. Yeah, it is. This is
They
stunning.
introduced you
Hi.
because she could not stay. She had to go.
Ah, she changed.
Yeah, so we're gonna
Hello.
continue together.
Afra. Nice to meet you.
So Afra will take care
I
of
love
you.
your eyeliner.
It's not eyeliner, eyeshadow.
This eyeshadow?
Yeah.
This one? You put eyeshadow to make
No,
that?
this one just a pencil.
Like an artist.
So we cannot do video in.
See, look. This is different. I don't have this style. Look. And it has a chain. You know, I will not complain that I don't have where to put. See? I have a chain. Look at this. So.
Sorry, that's
Baby, look at this. It's very nice. What do you think? These are pretty. These are lambskin. Gorgeous. I love the handle. I love how they twisted the handle of this. What's this? I love the handle. This is Swarovski or what?
no, this is the classic number one.
Lipstick and cards. And it has mirror as well. Nice. I love the fact that this long strap. Sorry, I'm very dramatic.
Me too.
Oh, nice. I can use this for hand luggage. How much? I think this one. Sorry. My husband would say, you're so shameless. I think this, can I see the black? I see. But I think this is nicer because it's very unique. I can use it like my pillow, you know. Oh, I'm in love. But what year is this purse? How many years is this purse? Like, it's not new collection, right? Is this purse? Like, it's not new collection, right? That video was 2 years ago. She
This is
recorded.
one you can actually cast it.
I think this one is nicer because I already have the jumbo flap already. Nice. I think this is nicer. I'll take that one. It's 35,700. Baby, look, this is the extra large I was telling you I saw from YouTube, and they have it. It's also 24 karat gold. I can take this for a Christmas gift. What do you think? They have the black, they have the burgundy. What? Burgundy? Maroon. Okay. And they have white, but I think I prefer this because this is very unique color. What do you think? Okay, ladies, as you know, I was so close to one of the bags. So guess which of these bags I put on my wish list? Let me know in the comment section if you can guess which of the bags I am going to get soon. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and share. Bye.